Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Jatasya hi dhruva mrityur, dhruvam janma mritasya cha, tasmat apariharyarthe, natvam sochitam arhasi. One who has taken his birth is sure to die, and after death, one is sure to take birth again. Therefore, in the unavoidable discharge of your duty, you should not lament. My dear friends, as long as we are in this material world, we continue this cycle of birth and death. Lord says that this material world is full of miseries and is temporary. Then why are we here? What should we do to get out of this place? Where should we go from here? And what is the process for that? Can we become immortal forever? This book, Easy Journey to Goloka, not only answers all these questions, but also gives a clear roadmap to every one of us in the form of a mysterious allegorical story. When the scriptures say that this material world is temporary and full of miseries, why are we wasting our time searching for happiness in the wrong place? This book is a mysterious allegorical story. Essence of teachings of all our acharyas explains to us the reason for our sufferings in this material world. Please note that this book is not a replacement to any of the scriptures. This only complements further in our understanding in the form of a mysterious story. The role of a bona fide spiritual master in the easy journey of Goloka is explained very clearly in this book. Journey of a hero of this book, Srivatsav, from this material world to the highest abode of spiritual world, Goloka Vrindavana, is a treat for the readers in the process of understanding the intricacies of spiritual world. I invite all the readers of this book to embark on the exciting journey with Srivatsav, the hero of the book, and experience the real art of dying and becoming immortal. If you want to get rid of all the miseries and go back to Goloka Vrindavana by end of this life, this book is for you. Don't miss to read this book. My dear friends, stock is very limited. Grab the book and start your easy journey to Goloka. Links for buying this book online is given in the below comment section. If you want the books in bulk, please leave a message. And my dear friends, 100% profits of this book will be donated to the divine cause of Temple of Vedic Planetarium through Mathuradesh Yatra on behalf of my spiritual master, His Holiness Jayapataka Swami. Wish you all a happy and easy journey to Goloka. Hare Krishna.